under their cares.
All right, YouTubes. We got the first air conditioner call of the season. We're gonna go to the sandwich shop over there. And it used to have a York unit. I think they got it replaced some years back. You guys had seen me wrench on that thing a bunch. So let's see what's going on. We'll get in there and see why they don't have air conditioning. I see their front doors open. It's like the first warm days of the year. I'll bring you guys up in there. Let's go check it out. Start off at the thermostat. It's cooling on 75 in here, set for 71. Let's get on the roof and check out the unit. Well, we can check the breaker first downstairs here. Trying to get to the door and they're like, screw you, air conditioner guy. Yeah, we'll get Tippins over here like this and yeah, things are falling and jumping. All right, there we go. All right. That's where we're going up there. And what I think is all right. All right, let's go check this out. Wow, it's still that same unit. I did the condenser on it. Remember I put the unit strut up there for the condenser fan? Short cycling. Wonder if the belts broke up here. This one's belt drive. I don't know if they do any maintenance. It's the same unit. I thought they were getting it changed out. I did the condenser coil on this thing. I fixed a big old leak on the evaporator one time. Remember that? We put this unit strut up there. Oh yeah, look, icy. Yeah, the belt's gonna be gone. Look at, maybe this one here on the roof will fit. What's that doing on the roof? AX43, that thing looks primo. I wonder if that's gonna fit the unit. I just found it on the ground on the roof. It is Saturday. I'm in my riding pants. I got out on the motorcycle for a bit and it worked out perfect. I came back and got a call, so let's open this up. Iced up coilotitis. Iced up coilotitis. Guacamole. Iced up coilotitis. You got iced up coilotitis. It's not that one. Let's get this on there, see what's happening. All right, that's better. Now we got indoor blower with air conditioning. It'll probably work now. Somebody did some skullduggery in there. So I just took the because they don't use the heat on this. You can see it's turned off. So the blower will kick on with air conditioning for sure now. So, but man, and look at that belt was jackered. All right, I can't believe this thing's still here. I thought they had got it replaced. Unbelievable. See, sometimes NorCal Dave does fix stuff. I did a major repair on that evaporator coil. I had the whole thing out over here. Soldered it up. It's on my channel. So there's a video of it somewhere. Gosh, I should look for it and try and link it on this video. I'll try and put a link in the description for you guys. I'll try and find it. I think that'd be a really good one to go back to and look at. Shoots, maybe I'll try and find all the videos on this air conditioner. The seagulls used to attack me up here. You guys remember that? Oh, I also had a killer video of when I put that condensing unit in right there and the new coil. And I bent up all the pipe. Man, time flies. Right. If you like the video, hit the like button, smash the subscribe, and we'll check you on the next one.